Let's see what are the apparatus required to take the boiling point of an organic compound. Organic compound on watch glass, small test tube, capillary, thermometer, thread, Bunsen burner and Thiele's tube holding stand. Before start the experiment, let's see how to read the scale on the thermometer. This is the Celsius thermometer and red color mark on that thermometer indicates mercury level in the thermometer, which used to recognize the exact temperature of that compound. There are two types of marks on thermometer, short mark and long mark. Each long mark has a whole number and each short mark have two increments in reading. On this thermometer, reading starts from 0 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius. On this thermometer, red color mark of mercury is on two short lines above the 20 degrees Celsius and therefore reading is 24 degrees Celsius. Now let's see how to seal the capillary by using Bunsen burner. We have to circularly rotate capillary with any direction on the tip of Bunsen burner and see how it looks after sealing. The small amount of liquid in test tube by using open capillary. Very small amount of liquid is sufficient for boiling point and keep sealed capillary inverted in that liquid as open end of that sealed capillary is in the liquid and sealed end of that capillary is out from that liquid. Now sealed capillary fix with this thermometer by using thread and we need to take care about the bottom of thermometer and test tube which contain liquid to be tested are on the same level and the thread which we use to bind the test tube with thermometer it should be near the open end of that test tube because we want to clamp that thermometer with test tube in Thiele's tube which contains paraffin oil and we should not sink that test tube and thread in the paraffin oil. Therefore, it needs to keep the thread near to open end of the test tube. Now, place that thermometer at the center of Thiele's tube and tip of the thermometer and capillary should be in front of that side arm of the Thiele's tube and heat the oil in the Thiele's tube on the side arm and due to increase in heat of the oil, temperature on the thermometer is getting increases and molecule in the test tube by absorbing heat they try to separate from each other and as heat increases the rate of separation of the molecule is also increases and at particular temperature that molecules are converts into gaseous form. Keep observing changes in liquid and temperature on thermometer simultaneously. See here how temperature increases as we heat that paraffin oil. When boiling point is about to come, temperature rises sharply and as we observe continuous bubbles in the liquid in test tube, stop the heating. As we stop heating, bubbles in the test tube also stops and liquid in test tube rise in capillary. At the same time observe mercury level in the thermometer and that is the boiling point of that organic compound. On the scale of this thermometer, red mark of mercury is on full mark of 70 degrees Celsius and 3 lines above on it and therefore boiling point is 76 degrees Celsius. Thank you.